Hello, my name is Mario Mata and I'm going to talk through the new options of Connection Compare in Oasys Primer. The Connections Compare panel has been redesigned. Now, the options for matched and unmatched connections are divided in two groups. In the second group, there is also a new option called In Both Models. This means that it will show the unmatched connections in both models at the same time, whereas before it was only possible for either the Modify or the Compare model. There are also 4 new tip boxes. I will talk only about the two first ones, as the other two are not so important and also are quite self-explanatory. Only show connections found. This means that when clicking Apply, Primer will show only the connections displayed on the table. Set domain from visible elements. This means that only the connections in the visible domain will be processed. I'm going to show this in a short demo. I have two models loaded in memory, and the only difference between these two models is that 5 spot quals have been modified in one of the models. If I do a connection compare, having chosen the option match connections with differences, and I have this tick box unticked, that means that when clicking apply, all the connections will be shown on the screen. You can see when I click here, I get a table with 5 connections showing the difference between them, but still all the spot quals are shown. If I repeat this operation, but checking this tick box, only the 5 spot quals will be shown. As you can see, these 5 spot quals are there. I'm also going to show how the second tick box works. If I do a model modified with the tick box checked, set domain from visible elements, and I blank the part of the model where the 5 connections where difference are, I can do something like this. When I click apply, nothing happens. The table doesn't show any modified connections. However, if I uncheck this option, it will show the 5 connections because even though they are not visible, they actually exist. You see, upon clicking apply, we can see the 5 differences. Thank you.